Apple Intelligence.
Apple Intelligence.
Apple Intelligence.
Introducing Apple Intelligence.
AI features Apple unveiled at WWDC 2024. From a revamped Siri to innovative photo editing tools, Apple has made significant strides in integrating AI into its ecosystem. Let's explore these groundbreaking announcements in detail. 1. Apple Intelligence. Apple introduced a new overarching AI system called Apple Intelligence, integrated throughout its iPhone, Mac, and iPad operating systems. This initiative marks a significant leap in leveraging generative AI technology to enhance user experience across all devices. Apple Intelligence is designed to draw on your personal context, providing intelligence that's most helpful and relevant for you, while ensuring your privacy is protected at every step. One of the core strengths of Apple Intelligence is its ability to flex and scale its computational capacity using private cloud compute. This allows it to handle complex requests while maintaining the privacy and security inherent to Apple's ecosystem. These models run on servers specially created using Apple's silicon, offering the security properties of the Swift programming language and software transparency built in. 2. New Siri. Kicking off with Siri, Apple has introduced major upgrades through its Apple Intelligence initiative. Siri now sports a new look with a fresh icon and a glowing indicator light around the screen's edges. Beyond aesthetics, Siri's functionality has been significantly enhanced to better understand context and handle speech stumbles. You can now type your queries, making Siri more versatile and accessible. Siri can guide you through using your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, and will soon gain the ability to perform actions across apps, such as editing photos or extracting information from images. Siri's ability to handle personal information has also been significantly improved. For instance, you can ask Siri to find your driver's license number in a photo, extract it, and fill out forms for you, making it incredibly convenient for users who often deal with personal data. 3. ChatGPT integration. Apple is integrating OpenAI's ChatGPT into Siri and other apps, bringing a new level of intelligence and capability to its devices. This integration means you can ask Siri complex questions that will be routed to ChatGPT for expert answers. You can include photos with your queries or ask questions related to documents. ChatGPT will be integrated into writing tools, allowing you to create and edit content effortlessly. These features will be available on iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia, powered by OpenAI's latest model, GPT-4. This integration allows Siri to handle tasks it previously couldn't, such as generating content or providing detailed explanations on complex topics. For example, if you need a detailed summary of a document, Siri can now pass the task to ChatGPT and deliver a comprehensive summary within seconds. This makes Siri not just a personal assistant, but a powerful tool for productivity and information management. 4. Writing tools. Generative AI models will enhance Apple's writing tools, enabling them to summarize, rewrite, and proofread text in notes, mail, pages, and more. This upgrade allows users to change the tone of responses to make them sound more friendly, professional, or concise. Apple will also suggest responses and different tones for messages and emails, making communication more efficient and personalized. For instance, if you're drafting an email to a colleague and want to ensure it sounds professional, you can ask Apple's writing tools to adjust the tone accordingly. This feature is incredibly useful for business communication, where the right tone can make a significant difference. Additionally, the ability to summarize long text quickly is a game changer for students and professionals who deal with large amounts of information daily. 5. GenMoji and Image Playground. GenMoji, coming to iOS 18, lets you create AI-generated emoji from your photos. These can be used as stickers or within messages. This feature combines the fun of emojis with the personalization of photos, allowing users to create unique and expressive images. Whether you want to create a funny sticker from a friend's photo or a personalized emoji for yourself, GenMoji makes it easy and enjoyable. Additionally, the new Image Playground feature enables users to create custom AI images for apps like Notes, Freeform, Keynote, and Pages. With options to select themes, costumes, and accessories, you can generate personalized images in minutes. This feature is particularly useful for presentations and creative projects where visually engaging content can make a significant impact. Apple Intelligence also enhances photo search capabilities, allowing for more specific searches and automatic organization by topics like time, people, and trips. For example, if you're working on a presentation and need a specific image of a place or a theme, you can simply describe what you need, and Image Playground will generate it for you. This not only saves time, but also ensures that you have the perfect image for your project. The integration of AI in image creation and editing tools showcases Apple's commitment to making creative tasks more accessible and efficient. 6. AI photo editing. Apple's new cleanup tool in the Photos app allows you to remove unwanted objects or people from your photos. By circling or highlighting the elements to remove, the AI fills in the space with contextually aware pixels, making it appear as if the object or person was never there. This tool is incredibly useful for enhancing photos and removing distractions, making your pictures look more professional and polished. iOS 18 will also bring better organized photo collections, sorted by topics like time, people, and trips, with enhanced search capabilities. This means you can find specific photos more easily without having to scroll through your entire photo library. For instance, if you're looking for pictures from a particular trip, the Photos app will automatically group them, making it convenient to relive those memories. The AI-powered photo editing tools also extend to creating new images. With features like automatic enhancements and filters, you can transform ordinary photos into stunning visuals with just a few taps. Whether you're a professional photographer or a casual user, these tools make photo editing more accessible and enjoyable. 7. Voice transcription for iPhone. 15 Pro and newer models, iOS will offer the option to record and transcribe phone calls. This feature, which must be enabled manually and will notify the other party, transcribes the call and provides a summary in the Notes app. This is particularly useful for meetings and interviews, where capturing accurate information is crucial. Additionally, you can record and transcribe audio directly within the Notes app. This makes it easy to capture ideas, meetings, or lectures, and have a written record that you can refer to later. The transcription feature is powered by AI, ensuring that the text is accurate and well organized. Voice transcription extends beyond phone calls. For instance, if you're attending a lecture or a conference, you can use your iPhone to record the session and get a detailed transcription. This feature saves time and ensures that you don't miss any important points, making it an invaluable tool for students and professionals alike. 8. Notifications. Apple will use AI to prioritize notifications, ensuring that the most important ones appear at the top of the stack. This feature, similar to what Google and Samsung offer, helps users manage their notifications more effectively, ensuring they don't miss critical information. By analyzing your usage patterns and preferences, AI can determine which notifications are most relevant to you and highlight them accordingly. For instance, if you receive a mix of personal messages, work emails, and app notifications, AI will prioritize the ones that need immediate attention. This reduces clutter and allows you to focus on what's important, enhancing your overall productivity. The ability to customize notification priorities also means you can tailor the experience to suit your needs, ensuring that you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. 9. Spatial photos on visionOS 2. visionOS 2 introduces a feature called Spatial Photos, which uses advanced machine learning to create spatial photos from 2D images. By deriving left and right eye views from your images, this feature creates a natural depth that looks stunning on Vision Pro. This enhances the way you experience and interact with your photos, making them more immersive and visually appealing. Additionally, visionOS 2 brings new gestures for easier navigation. You can tap to open the home view, flip your hand to bring up time and battery levels, and access Control Center with a simple tap. These gestures provide quick access to frequently used features like notifications and Mac Virtual Display, making the Vision Pro experience more intuitive and user-friendly. These AI advancements from Apple mark a significant leap in how we interact with our devices. From a smarter Siri to powerful photo editing tools, Apple's integration of AI is set to enhance user experience across its ecosystem. The introduction of Apple Intelligence signifies a new era where devices are not only smarter, but also more intuitive and capable of handling complex tasks effortlessly. The improvements to Siri and the integration of ChatGPT bring a new level of intelligence and capability, making it easier to manage personal information and perform tasks across apps. The enhanced writing tools and AI-powered photo editing features showcase Apple's commitment to making creative and productive tasks more accessible and efficient. Voice transcription and prioritized notifications further enhance the user experience by ensuring that important information is captured accurately and delivered in a timely manner. These features, combined with the ability to create custom images and emojis, make Apple's ecosystem more versatile and user-friendly. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.